Modern UI relies too much on the mouse, and that slows down typing speed. So I made my own UI framework. It has an image format, a graphics library, a key detecting library, and a UI library. And on top of all of this is my markup language called UIML. So I started work on my GUI library, which sent a bunch of pixels to this other library that would help create the window. Then I worked on my image format, which is not as good as JPEGs or PNGs, but at least it's something. And then I worked on the UI library. This is where I realized I wanted user input, but I couldn't use the mouse, so I decided to go with the keyboard. So then I made a key library, which was kind of hard because I had to create my own key types, and I wanted to make the key interface as simple as possible, but eventually I made it. But really, you guys are here for UIML, which stands for User Interface Markup Language. Now, this is an example of UIML, and you might be wondering, what does this really mean? Well, this is essentially what it means, just some nested tags. Now, on top of this, you can add classes to these tags, or even IDs if you want to. And now, with all of this, you can create a style tag, and you can really define its style the same way you define the tag. And then in here, you can change the font size, background color, foreground color, and a lot more. On top of this, you can add a script that could dynamically change the code that's being run. And this over here is an example of a simple script that just changes the information in a tag. But you can also do so much more with it. Now anyways, this is just a whole demo that I gave for UIML. And I would like to let you know that it's not fully complete. There are things that I'm working on adding eventually, and one of those is event listeners. Now, if you don't mind, please check out the poll on my YouTube channel on what video to post next. Anyways, thank you and see you in the next video.